So, good morning, students. I hope you all are well at your place. So, now, students, to come to the today's session. So, now tell me, students, that what we had done in previous class. Any idea that what we had done in previous class? Yes. So, I will give you one hint. Some question in front of you. So now you see this question, and then you answer me this question. Yes. So first question is what? The clothes which we wear are made up of what? Fabric. So it is true or false? Yes. So I hope you all are give the right answer. So it is a true. So yes, student, like with the clothes which we are wear in our day to day life. So that is made up of what? Fabrics. Yes, we make from fabrics we make different items also. So how many types of fibers is there? Yes, students. So there is a two types of fiber. First one is what? Natural fiber. Second one is what? Synthetic fiber. Yes, there is a natural fiber is like plant fiber we obtain from plant or animal, and the synthetic fiber which is made from some chemicals made from by us we made by humans. Yes, so in previous class we have started a chapter which is a synthetic fiber or a plastic. Yes, so yes, sister, in that chapter we see that there is a types of fiber. Yes, there is a types of fiber. There is natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is also called that what? Synthetic fiber is also called artificial fiber. Yes, so now here is a question: the how many types of synthetic fiber is there? Yes, here is one question in front of you: that how many types of synthetic fiber is there? That any idea that how many types of synthetic fiber? And yes, two, three, four, five. How many? So now see here. So there is a types of synthetic fiber. There is a first one is what? First in one is the rayon. Second one is the nylon. Third one is the polyester, and last is the acrylic. So these are some synthetic fiber which is made by with the help of chemicals. Yes, these are some are which is made by the chemicals. So now tell me of which fiber it made up of. Yes, so you see there is a thread, there is a jacket. Yes, from which these all made up of? Yes, which fiber it is made up of? Yes, that any idea that which fiber is made up of? Yes, you have any that idea that which fiber is used to make this thread, to make this this jacket? Any idea that yes, students? Yes, tell me. So now, first one is the rayon. Yes, this all product is made up of what? Rayon. So now here is see here what is rayon. So the rayon is prepared by a chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, so the rayon which is prepared by the help of what? Chemicals and treatment of the wood pulp. wood pulp के भी help से जो chemicals होता है, जो chemicals है वो उसके हेल्प से जो है वो रेयन प्रिपेयर होता है. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एट वॉट? आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क. Yes, one silk is obtained from where? Naturally, which is from silkworm. But this one is also called what? Rayon is also called what? The artificial silk. Okay, this is also called what? Artificial silk. All through the rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp. So the rayon is obtained from where? So the wood pulp, yet it is a man made fiber. So with the rayon, जो रेयन होता है ना वो केमिकल के हेल्प से बनता है, एंड दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट? आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क भी इसको बोलते हैं. एंड वन सिल्क इज गेट फ्रॉम द सिल्क वन, बट दिस दैट आर कम फ्रॉम come from animals, so these are that are natural fiber, but this is the artificial fibers which is help to make which is make by the help of what, chemicals. Yes, so the rayon obtained from what, natural resource, from what, wood pulp. Yes, जो लकड़ी के जो pulp होते हैं उसके से. So yet it is a man-made fiber. Yes, we can say that this is what, this is man-made fiber. So now see here the properties of rayon. So good absorbent of sweat, easily dye and woven into the clothes, so cheaper than silk and lustrous in appearance. So yes student, these are some properties, these are some properties of rayon. rayon जो होता है, rayon का जो कपड़ा होता है वो जो पसीना होता है, जो स्वेट होता है, उसको भी एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए बहुत ही बेहतर क्वालिटी होता है इसका. एंड इसको हम चीपर देन सिल्क से भी, ये जो सिल्क होता है वो उससे भी चीप रेट में आता है. ठीक है, सिल्क की साड़ियाँ हमने सुना है कि दैट आर वेरी costly, they're not afforded by everyone, but this rayon quality, this rayon is I think get cheap in rate also. Okay, so it is also dye easily and woven in clothes. Yes, and luster in appearance. So these are some properties of rayon which is good. Okay, so now what are the uses of rayon? Okay, so now here is the uses of rayon. Like rayon is the mixed with cotton to make a bed sheet. Like in we all see that in our home there is a bed sheet. Yes, we all in our home in all have a bed sheet. So the rayon is mixed with the wool to make a कारपेट. यस, तो जो रेयन होता है ना उसको कॉटन के साथ मिक्स करते हैं और उससे क्या बनाते हैं, रेयन एंड कॉटन से क्या बनाते हैं, बेडशीट्स भी बनते हैं. और वूल और रेयन को मिक्स करके जो हमारे घर में कारपेट्स आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे घर में, इवन आपके घर में भी होगा कारपेट्स, तो उसमें भी कौन सा मटेरियल यूज किया जाता है, रेयन और वूल दोनों के मटेरियल को यूज करके बनाया जाता है. सो आई थिंक यू ऑल आर clear that. So now here is one question in front of you. So the rayon is prepared by chemicals, yes or no? Yes, true or false? Yes, so the rayon is prepared by the chemicals. Yes, different chemicals, wood pulp. Yes, so the this statement is true. Okay, so now, yes, so now see here. Yes, so now see here, here is some product in front of you. Now you observe it this product, and now then you tell me that the what from which fiber this all product is made. So I will give you the 10 seconds. Then you tell me that from which fiber this all are made. Yes, this shoes, this like this pant and this pipes. Yes, this wallet. So you have that any idea that from which fiber this all are made? Yes. So now see here. Yes. So second one is what? Nylon. So that product is made up of what? Nylon. Okay. So in 1931, it was made without the using any natural raw material. In 1931, 31 that it was made without using any natural raw material from plant or animal. So it was prepared from coal, like water and air. Okay, so it was the first fully synthetic fiber. So the students, so the this synthetic fiber, सो जो नायलॉन्स होता है ना वो प्रिपेयर किया जाता है किससे, कोल से, वाटर से और एयर से. ओके, तो ये कुछ आई मीन कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट बोल सकते हैं या फिर कुछ ये सारे चीजें जिसके थ्रू से जो नायलॉन होता है उसके उसका सामान प्रिपेयर होता है. सो नाउ हियर इज सम properties of nylon, like there is a easy to wash, luster, light, elastic, strong. Yeah, so these are some properties of the nylon side. Nylon clothes or nylon things are elastic, it is, सॉरी, इट इज इजी टू वॉश, धोने में भी इजी होता है, लस्टरस है, लाइट इन वेट है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है ये. सो वी कैन से दैट दीज आर सम properties of nylon. Okay, so now I think you all are clear that the what are the properties of nylon, what is nylon. Yes, so now can anyone tell me the what is the uses of nylon, that what are the uses of nylon, that you have any idea that like how the nylon is how we use the nylon. Yes, any idea that? So yes, yes, so now see here. Yes, so now here is some uses of nylon. Like there is a sleeping bags, like there is a car seat bags. Yes, so toothbrush, tents, ropes, socks, ropes for rock climbing, curtains, parachute. So these are some uses of nylon. Like parachute जो होता है वो भी नायलॉन के से बना होता है. टूथब्रश हो गया जो कार में हमारा सीट बेल्ट होता है. ये जो हमारा लाइक क्लाइंब करते हैं ना तो उसके लिए जो रोप का यूज होता है, जो रस्सी का यूज होता है, वो सॉक्स है. टेंट में जो चीज का यूज होता है, तो इस तरह के कुछ कुछ आइटम्स है जिसको हम लोग नायलॉन से बनाते हैं. ओके, दीज आर सम प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम विच वी यूज ऑफ which we make with the help of what nylons. Yes, so टूथब्रश भी है वो भी हमारे नायलॉन से हम लोग एवरीडे like use करते हैं नायलॉन के प्रोडक्ट्स. Yes, these are some products. These are, we can say that these are some, we also use these products in our day to day life. Yes, we use the toothbrush, rope, socks. These are some product which we use in our daily life also. So these are some uses of what, these are some uses of nylon. Okay, so now here is the one question in front of you. So now you please give me the answer. What is the answer? So it was prepared from what? Water, air, coal, all of this. So what is the answer of this question? I hope you all know the answer of this question. So it was prepared from what? Yes, nylon is prepared from what? Water, air, coal, or all of these. Yes, so very good student. So you, I think you all your answer is all of these. Yes, जो nylon होता है वो किससे prepare होता है? Water, air और coal की help से. Yes, so these all are the correct answer. Okay, so now yes. So now here is the next picture in front of you. So now you observe it carefully and then tell me that what you see, that what is this, in from which product this all items is made, which fiber is required to make. Yes, yes, this t-shirt, like this bag, this travel bag, this bag, this shoot. Yes, that any idea that which product, I mean which fiber is used to make this all? Yes. So now see here, there is a third, is the polyester. Okay, so now what is the polyester? So the polyester plus poly plus ester, so it is made up of the the repeating unit of a chemical called an ester. Okay, so the ester are chemicals which gives fruits their smells, and the fabrics made from polyester does not get wrinkled easily. So like the polyester जो है वो आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे ऐसे बैग, बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं जो कि मुचड़ाते नहीं, कह सकते रिंकल्ड नहीं होते. मेड फ्रॉम पॉलिस्टर डज नॉट गेट द फैब्रिक मेड फ्रॉम पॉलिस्टर, लाइक मुचड़ते हैं ना कोई कोई कपड़ा, कटन का कपड़ा आपने देखा होगा वो बहुत बुरी तरीके से क्या होता है, हमें आयरन करना पड़ता है. पर जो पॉलिस्टर का कपड़ा होता है ना वो इजिली आप उसको रिंक मतलब मचड़ा करके आप उसको कह सकते हैं उसमें रिंकल्ड इजिली नहीं होता. They don't get like wrinkled easily. That the ester are chemical which gives fruit their smells. So from this product, this chemical is used to make this polyester things. So now what are the uses of polyester? Yes, the trilene is the popular polyester which can be drawn into a very fine fiber. So the pet is a form of the polyester which is used for making a bottle. So the like bottle, utensils, films, fire, and the many other useful product is made by the help of what? Polyester. Yes, the polyester के help से हम बहुत सारे ऐसे products होते हैं जो हम बना सकते हैं. Like what? Like there is a product like bottle, utensils, wire. There is a lot of many things which we make with the help of this polyester. Okay, so there is the properties of polyester. Yes, so don't get the wrinkle, remains crisp, easy to wash, dry quickly. So these are some properties of polyester, like it remains crisp, easy to wash. Yes, इसके धोने से भी बहुत easily wash हो जाता है, wrinkled नहीं होते, easy to dries quickly, like सूख बहुत जल्दी जाते हैं ना. So these are some properties of this polyester. Okay, these are the good qualities of some, we can say that. Yes. So okay, students, so now here is the recapitulation type. So in the last of the chapter we have studied about the different types of synthetic fibers. Yes, there is a like learn about the rayon, nylon, polyester. These are some fibers which we have done with today. So the different uses of polyester. Yes, so what are the different uses of polyester? There is a different uses of polyester in the, like we make the bottle, wires, utensils. These are some product which is made by the polyesters also. Yes, so now here is homework in front of you. So these are the activity, we can say that. So collect the different type of synthetic fiber in your home and try to identify the fibers. Okay, like आप different different type के synthetic fiber लाएंगे अपने घर में, and you try to identify that the fiber, and you also paste their small pieces in your copy. Okay, student. So now thank you. So stay safe. I will meet you again tomorrow. Thank you.